The Aeronautical Development Agency has revealed new changes to the final design aspects of AMCA, and the previous 2D ramped air intake has now been changed to Diverterless Supersonic Inlet, and it has been cleared to be featured from the first technology demonstrator. It will drastically reduce the aircraft's radar cross-section, as research has shown that the traditional air intakes reflect large sources of radar waves. It will also reduce the quantity of radar-absorbent materials on the front side of the aircraft, where radar cross-section needs to be at its best to reduce detection. It also has the potential of delivering better engine performance at supersonic speeds, without adding any extra weight and mechanisms. The Aeronautical Development Agency will also design plug-and-fit 3D thrust vectoring nozzles with a Russian manufacturer, that can be installed on any engine of foreign origin. According to latest reports, 4 Indian firms including Tata Defence, Adani Defence Systems, Mahindra Defence Systems and Bharat Forge have been shortlisted as strategic partners for the 25,000 crore rupees project for manufacturing 111 naval utility helicopters, in partnership with foreign original equipment manufacturers including Airbus Helicopters, Sikorsky of the US, and Rosbaron Export of Russia. The Indian Navy will now take the case to the Defence Acquisition Council to get the approval from the government for its shortlisted companies and take the process forward. The Indian Army's 1st Regiment of M777 ultralight howitzers is expected to consist of 18 howitzers, out of which 3 will be built locally in India by Mahindra Defence Systems Limited. The howitzers will be delivered to the Indian Army by the end of this year, which will enable to raise the first of the 7 regiments by early 2020. The parallel induction of imported howitzers and the locally assembled howitzers will also increase the rate of production and delivery to the Indian Army. The Indian Defence Ministry has announced that it will fund 250 start-up companies over the next 5 years, and the plan is to achieve at least 50 cutting-edge technologies by these companies that can be inducted into the Indian Armed Forces over the coming years. The Defence Ministry will release 500 crore rupees for its Innovations for Defence Excellence initiative, and will try to bring together innovators with public and private sector industry and the armed forces to find new technology solutions. The Defence Ministry has concluded cost negotiations with Tata and Airbus for the purchase of 62 C-295 transport aircraft, and the $3 billion deal will be put up for clearance at the next Cabinet Committee on Security meeting, and the officials have expressed optimism that the deal would be signed by the end of this year.
Omar dropped it.